Jai Swaminarayan friends. Here we continue the fourth chapter quadratic equation, and in this chapter we discuss the problem sum. Clear? Here we write the two question problem sum. First question, we read the question. In a right angle triangle, one of the side forming the right angle is 4 centimeter more than twice the length of the other side. Clear? And other data, if the area of the triangle is 120 centimeter square, so find the perimeter of the triangle. Our final question is find the perimeter of the triangle. So first we find perimeter, so we find all the three sides of the triangle. Clear? So first we find the three sides of the triangle. Again read the question, but we some explain. Here in the sentence, one of the side forming the right angle. Look here, this is your right angle triangle, right? A, B and C. Now these two sides, AB and BC are forming the right angle. AB and BC are forming the right angle triangle. Is that clear? Okay. So first we draw here. First we draw right angle triangle ABC. Clear? So first we suppose let ABC be the right angle triangle at the angle B equal to 90. Is that clear? Let ABC be the triangle, right angle triangle at the angle B. Is that clear? Okay. Now AB and BC are forming the right angle triangle. Now read your question. Now you can suppose, first we suppose AB or BC, you can suppose anyone say X. Anyone say. Suppose we suppose BC equal to X. You can say also AB equal to X. Here we suppose BC equal to X. Okay. Now read your question. In a right angle triangle, one of the side forming the right angle is 4 centimeter more. Now here we write AB. AB is 4 centimeter more than BC, but more than twice the length of the other side. Therefore, AB equal to 2x plus 4. 4 centimeter more than and twice the length of the other side. Clear? Okay. Now our area is 120 centimeter square. Area is given. So apply the formula area of the triangle 1/2 base into altitude. Clear? Okay. Now area is what? 120. 1/2 as it is. BC equal to X. AB equal to 2x plus 4. Right? Now 2 is the common. 2 is here common and cancel. So x into bracket x plus 2. Clear? Now here we directly solve this equation because here this two number difference is 2. So here we factorize the number between number factorize is 2. So x and x plus 2. Otherwise you can write also x plus 2 into x equal to 12 tenza. 12 tenza. Here. So here x plus 2 into x. Here 10 plus 2 into 10. Directly. You can solve the quadratic equation also. Multiply this x1. Then find the factor. Or otherwise directly you can solve it. Now compare anyone, x plus 2 equal to 10 plus 2, so x equal to 10, otherwise this one. So we directly find x equal to 10 answer. Clear? So here x suppose BC, that means BC equal to 10 centimeter, AB equal to 2 into 10 plus 4, 10 to 20, 24 plus 4, 24. So AB equal to 24. Now apply Pythagoras triplet. What's that? Which triplet? 10, 20, 24 and what, remember 24 square is 576, 10 square is 100, 576 plus 100, 676. 676 is the square of the 26. So our triplet is 10, 24 and 26. So we directly write here AC equal to 26. Clear? Okay. Now our final question is find the perimeter of the triangle. Now we write perimeter of the triangle ABC. Right angle triangle ABC. AB plus BC plus AC. AB equal to 24, BC equal to 10, AC 26. 24 plus 26, 50. 50 plus 10, 60 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Now this second question. The side of a right angle triangle are consecutive positive integer. Consecutive positive integer, that is 3 continuous number. Again we draw the right angle triangle. Suppose 3 consecutive number 10, 11, 12. Suppose 3, 5, 6, 7. Clear? Okay. Suppose otherwise let ABC be the right angle triangle at the angle B equal to 90. Okay. Now suppose 3 side here 90 degree. AB, BC and AC is the largest side because hypotenuse. Suppose we AB equal to x, BC equal to x plus 1 because consecutive 3 sides. BC equal to x plus 1 and AC equal to x plus 2. Clear? AB equal to x, BC equal to x plus 1, AC equal to x plus 2. You can suppose here x plus 1 and x plus 2. AC is the largest side, so AC equal to x plus 2. Okay. Now apply Pythagoras. By Pythagoras, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square equal to AC equal to what? X plus 2 whole square. AB equal to x. BC equal to x plus 1. Okay. Now expansion. A plus b whole square. X square plus 2 to the 4x. Plus 2 square is 4. Here x square. Again expansion. X square plus 2x plus 1. X square plus 2 ones are 2x plus 1 square is 1. X square cancel. Right? So 4x plus 4 as it is. X square plus 2x plus 1. So here we write x square. Now 4x in right side, 2x minus 4x minus 2x, and 4 in right side, 1 minus 4 minus 3. So our quadratic equation x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Clear? Now here 3 is the last term. Factors of 3, 3 ones are 3, and last term is the negative. So subtract the two factors. So 3 ones are 3, x minus 3 and x plus 1. Here 3 is the bigger number, we give the negative sign. So we give the individual 0, x equal to 3, x equal to minus 1. Here we write not possible because negative side, length of the side is negative, is not possible. Clear? Okay. 2 and the neighbor can be negative. Now x equal to 3 is our answer. Now put here AB, BC and AC. Now AB equal to x, so x equal to 3 centimeter. BC equal to x plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 centimeter. And AC equal to x plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 centimeter. Here these 3 consecutive sides. Clear? 3, 4 and 5. But our final question, positive, the side of a right angle triangle are consecutive positive integer. Consecutive positive integer. Now find the area of the triangle. Area. Now find apply the area formula. Area equal to 1/2 base into altitude. 1/2 base BC. BC equal to 4 and altitude AB equal to 3. 2 to the 4. So our final answer 3 to the 6 centimeter square. Is that clear? Okay. Now third question. Here we write the third, fourth and fifth. Clear? Third question. Hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 2 centimeter or 2 less than 3 times its shortest side. Hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 2 less than 3 times its shortest side. If the remaining side is 2 more than twice the shortest side, so find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the right angle triangle. Clear? First we draw the right angle triangle. A, B and C. Clear? Here AC is the hypotenuse. So first we suppose let ABC be the right angle triangle. Is that clear? At angle B. At the angle B. Okay? At angle B equal to 90. Okay. Now read our hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 2 centimeter less than 3 times. More 3 times its shortest side. Now you can suppose AB or BC, any one is the shortest side. Any one. Or suppose here AB is the shortest side. Clear? Okay. Therefore, we suppose AB equal to X. AB equal to X. Is that clear? Okay. Now read your. Here we suppose X. Hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 2 less. AC equal to 2 less. Then 3 times its shortest side. 3 times its shortest side. 3x minus 2. So here 3x minus 2. Is that clear? Okay. Now second sentence. If the remaining side, now this is the remaining side, is 2 more than. Therefore here BC equal to 2 more than twice the shortest side. Here shortest side is x, twice the shortest side. So 2x plus 2. Clear? Okay. So AB is shortest side, x, AC hypotenuse 3x minus 2 and BX equal to 2x plus 2. Is that clear? Here last sentence is if the remaining side is 2 more than twice the shortest side. Okay. Our final question, area. Now again apply the Pythagoras. By Pythagoras. So also we write AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Clear? Now AB equal to x, BC equal to 2x plus 2 whole square and AC equal to 3x minus 2 whole square. Okay? Now expansion here and here also. X square, a plus b whole square. First we write 2x whole square, 2x square, 4x square. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8x and 2 square is 4. Here 3x square is 9x square. 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12x and 2 square is 4. Clear? Like term are cancelled in opposite side. Okay. Here 9x square minus 12x as it is, and in left side 4 plus 1 5x square plus 8x. Okay. Now 5x square in right side. 9 minus 5 4x square. 9 minus 5 4x square. Clear? 8x in the right side minus 8x. So minus 12 and minus 8 minus 20x equal to 0. Clear? Is that clear? Again, x whole square, 2x plus 2 whole square, that is 2x square, 4x square, 2 to the 4 to the 8x, 2 square is 4. 3x square is 9x square, 2 to the 4, 3 is 12x and 2 square is 4. Okay? Now 4x is the common, so x minus 5 equal to 0. Now 4 is in the denominator, 0 divided by any number, answer 0. So two possibility, x equal to 0 and x equal to 5. Here x equal to 0 is not possible because length of the triangle never can be 0. Clear? So here we write not possible. Okay? So x equal to 5. Now put here x equal to 5 in which side? So BC, first we write BC. AB, okay, AB. AB equal to 5 centimeter. Then BC equal to 2 into 5 plus 2. 2 5 is 10, 10 plus 2, 12. And AC equal to 3x minus 2. 3 5 is 15, 15 minus 2, 30. This is our triplets 5, 12 and 13. Is that clear? Okay. Now our final question, area. Find the area of the triangle. Area equal to half into base into altitude. So half into base BC. BC equal to 12. Altitude AB equal to 5. 2 6 are 12. 6 5 are 30 centimeter square. So our area of the right angle triangle is 30 centimeter square. Is that clear? Okay. Now fourth question. The difference of length of side forming right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle in a right angle triangle is 3 centimeter. Again repeat. The difference of length of side forming right angle in a right angle triangle is 3 centimeter. And if the perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeter, and final question again, find the area of the triangle. Okay. So first we suppose, now we suppose P, Q and R. Let triangle PQR be the right angle at triangle at Q. Okay, at angle Q. Is that clear? Okay, let PQR be the right angle triangle at the angle Q. Okay, this is PQ and QR are forming the right angle triangle because the right angle at Q. Okay, PPR is the hypotenuse. Now again repeat the question. The difference of the length of the side forming right angle in a right angle triangle is 3 centimeter. That means suppose this side is 10 centimeter, so this side may be 7, or you can write 13 also. If you suppose here 10, so this side is 7, that means 3 smaller. Otherwise you can suppose 13 also, that means 3 greater. Second option, here you suppose 10, so second side is here 10, 7 or 30. Clear? So now here we suppose AB equal to X. Now BC equal to, if you can write here X minus 3, that means AB is greater and BC is 3 units smaller. Okay? Otherwise you can suppose X plus 3 also. That means AB is smaller and BC is greater. Clear? Okay? Anyone you can suppose. AB equal to X. Suppose BC equal to X plus 3. Okay? Now second sentence. If the perimeter of the triangle is 36. Perimeter now. So apply perimeter of the triangle equal to PQ plus QR plus PR. Clear? Perimeter is 36 centimeter given. Okay, here not AB but PQ and not BC equal but here QR. Okay, now PQ equal to X, QR equal to X plus 3, then PR is not given. Now first 36 minus 3, 33, 1x plus 1x, 2x plus PR. Now 2x in left side. So PR equal to 33 minus 2x. This is your third side. PQ is the first side, QR is the second side, and PR is the third side. Clear? Okay. Now apply the Pythagoras. Okay. So PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. Now PR equal to here 33 minus 2x whole square. PQ equal to x. QR equal to x plus 3. Clear? Now 33 square is remaining 33 into 33 0. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, again 99, 9. 9 plus 9 18 and 10. So 1089. 33 2s are 66, 66 2s are 132x plus 4x square. 2x square is 4x square. Right side x square. Now expansion here. X square 2 3s are 6x, 3 square is 9. Okay. Now here 1x square and 1x square. 1 plus 1 2. So 4x square minus 2x square. This one. Okay. Then we write minus 132x. Now 6x in left side plus 1089 minus 9 equal to 0 right side. 4 minus 2, 2x square. 132 and 6, both of them same sign. So 138x. 1089 minus 9, 1080. Clear? Now whole equation is divisible by 2. Whole equation is divisible by 2. And 2 is the common. 0 divided by 2, answer 0. So our quadratic equation x square. 2 divided 138 divided by 2, 69x. And 1080 divided by 2, 540. 540. Clear? 54 to 1080 as it is. Now splitting the number 540. So here 54 tens are. Here 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54. And splitting by 10, 2 5s are 10. Okay, now arrange the two numbers. And sum of these two numbers is always 69. Always 69. Check here. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. And 5 3s are 15, not possible. And 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. Yeah, possible. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 3s are 60. 60 and 3 3s are 9. 60 into 9, 540 and 60 plus 9 equal to 69. Okay. So our factorization x square plus 540 equal to 0 minus 60x minus 9x. Okay. Now common. X is the common. X minus 60. Again x minus 60 here. Minus 9 common. X minus 60 and x minus 9 equal to 0. So individual 0, x equal to 60 and x equal to 9. Now one of the value is not possible and only one value is possible, right? Okay. Now put this both the value in PQ, QR and PR. Verify. You can also directly verify in PR. You can also directly verify in PR. First we put 60 in PR. PR equal to what? 33 minus 2x. Put here 60. 33 into 2 into 60. Answer is the negative. 60 to the 120. 120 minus 30. 120 is the bigger number. So answer is negative. So 60 is not possible. Clear? So only 9 is the possible. Okay? So PQ equal to, we write here. PQ equal to x. X equal to 9. Then QR equal to x plus 3. So 9 plus 3, 12. And PR equal to 33 minus 2 into 9. 33. 2 nines are 18. 33 minus 18, 15 centimeter. This is our triplets. 9, 12, 15. 9, 12, 15. But our final question, find the area of the triangle. Right? So now area equal to 1/2 PQ into QR. 1/2 PQ equal to 9, QR equal to 12. 2 6 are final answer. 9 6 are 54 centimeters square. Is that clear? Okay. Now fifth question. The side of a right angle triangle are x, x plus 3 and x plus 6 already given. We have only supposed this right angle triangle. Suppose P, Q and R. Clear? Here any one side you can say x, then x plus 3 and x plus 6. Here we suppose only let the triangle PQR be the right angle triangle at angle Q. Okay. Now we suppose PQ equal to x, QR equal to x plus 3, PR equal to x plus 6. Clear? Now apply the Pythagoras. Apply Pythagoras. Okay. Then we find the value of x. Clear? Okay. Suppose if we find x equal to 10, so here 10, here 13 and here 16. Okay, then final question is find the perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter, that means sum of these three sides. Very easy question. Okay, try it yourself. Okay, solid? Okay, done it? Thank you very much.